In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how to make super rich, clean and wide pads in Diva in just a couple of minutes. So to get started, when we have the default here, the first thing we have to do is get rid of this envelope here by double clicking it and then setting all of these to 0. It sounds like this now. Like absolutely nothing is happening, right? So the first thing we want to do is enhance the sustain here and enhance the sustain here. The second thing we want to do is get rid of this delay here and get rid of the pad and replace the delay with a chorus 2. We're not going to use it yet, so I'm going to put this wet all the way to the left. Now what we're going to do is switch the left VCO1 to noise and turn this mix almost all the way to VCO2. Now we can keep this glide on or off. I like to keep it on a little bit. We go to the trimmers and we're going to detune these oscillators a bit. And we activate this voice drift option here. And activate a little bit of deep tune amount. And you should basically be all set now. Now go back to main and activate the polyphonic mode. So we can actually play a chord. And yeah guys, so this is the first step. So something else we can do is we can add a little bit of reverb here through a little plate reverb. I like to keep the size fairly low. So after you did that, you want to come down here to voices and set it to 6 voices and 1 stack. If you do this more than 1 stack, it won't allow you to play a polyphonic chord. So keep this at 1 stack. After that, you can kind of analyze your pad. And yeah, so this is basically it. If you want to make it more punchy, you can increase the envelope setting. And you can also make it more dynamic by increasing the attack and the decay a bit and having a small release here. And just kind of play around with these settings to see how you like it. Next up, you can also modulate the cutoff or just adding LFO2 here a bit. And yeah guys, that's basically it, how you make a melodic house pad in Diva in just a couple of minutes. It's super easy, it's super effective, and you can really get super huge soundscapes out of this. You see? And this is how you make a super fat Diva pad in just a couple minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, guys. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Have a beautiful day and make sure to check out my website down below for some online lessons if you guys want more tricks and tips. And yeah, preset packs coming soon. Have a great day. Take care and see you guys so soon. Bye bye.